Hello, Mike. Today I would like to introduce this temperature tester to you. I think you know maybe the other many kind of tester, but this one is accredited. So I send a sample to you, but I think I need to introduce to you how to use this one. This lamp, not only infrared, but this lamp, they have an infrared and visible light. I think this is more close to the sunlight. So this is, if you just use only infrared light, I think how about the visible light? So this is what I designed this. So I use the lamp. I open this, you can very shine. So, but the second one, this we have adjustable the temperature sensor, because when you test the temperature will rising, but if you have to wait in the temperature to the return take about 5 minutes or 10 minutes, so it's a waste of time. But this one you just can change this. But this is a screw. Screw have to inside. Okay, then I test this machine for you. And usually I will make testing to the consumer like this. Which one you think can cut the heat? People will choose this one because it's very dark. But as you know, this is much better. Then I will put the glass in here, 2 glass, okay, in here. I open the lamp. Then I will show people, please test like this, and here. People will feeling, oh, here is very hot, but here is no hot. So people will choose, oh, it's very hot. It's a good film to hear. Let people feeling, oh, very good. Oh, very good. Then people can see the temperature getting higher. And I put here, they can see the temperature drop down very quickly. You can see right now 31, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, very quickly down. And also I will let people see here. This is IR, infrared. Infrared I put here, you can see infrared only 20, but if I take off, we're 434. Okay, I put here, then just 80, 19, very, very small. People will trust you because here you can see the number, digital. Okay, you can see the temperature getting very high with different. So people will choose, oh, very good. They will buy this one, not this one, okay? Because normally people, they don't know about the infrared. They just know about the visible light. Okay, and this one is very light, so it's just easy carry. This is, you can see, very easy to carry. This, because this one less than 2 kilo. But I know China, they have a Linghang, yeah, the company, they have the machine 13 kilo, 13 kilo. So so our very convenience to use and the price is reasonable. Okay, so maybe you can choose this one. Okay, thank you, Mike. Thank you.